So the next step in the Quilty BBL is to load the quilt as if it's a top. So this is the full quilt. You remember this was a summer weight. It's just got muslin and no batting, but it is quilted. And we're loading that. This can be floated, and I think for something with more batting, I would be floating it, but since it's very close to a top, being that it's a summer weight, I'm gonna load it on the roll like I do normal tops. It's a big quilt, and I think it came out really nice. I love the colors. When you take it in all at once, it's kind of hard to see the quilting because there's so much else going on, but when you see it in this light, you can kind of make it out. Here's the corner where I patched in a new block.